$12 billion in annual savings is what DeepSeek's 75% price cut on its V4 Pro model could bring to enterprise AI vendors and developers, but many are discovering that cheaper models don't automatically translate into healthier margins. The reason is simple: while inference costs plummet, agent systems are voraciously consuming tokens faster than prices are declining. For the last 2 decades, software economics was dictated by a straightforward relationship between computing power and cost, but the rise of AI has turned this model on its head. Now, the 100x problem remains, where the cost of training and deploying AI models is exponentially higher than traditional software, and DeepSeek's price cut only scratches the surface of this issue. This drastic price cut is a clear indication that the AI industry is shifting towards a more competitive landscape, where companies are forced to reduce prices to stay ahead of the game. However, the underlying issue of token consumption and the resulting costs will continue to plague developers and vendors, making it essential to find innovative solutions to mitigate these effects. Moving on to other news, Waze is getting a significant update, with Google integrating its flagship AI assistant, Gemini, into the driving app. Waze's AI makeover aims to let users personalize their trips with features like conversation reporting and other updates that involve Gemini. This integration could revolutionize the way we navigate, making our daily commutes more efficient and tailored to our preferences. The introduction of AI-powered features in Waze is part of a broader trend of artificial intelligence being incorporated into various aspects of our lives, from transportation to social media. Speaking of which, the European Union is considering sweeping new restrictions on children's and teenagers' access to social media, including age limits, an outright ban, and phased access. These proposed restrictions are part of a growing concern about the impact of social media on young people's mental health and well-being. Social media platforms could be forced to prove their services are not harmful before young people are allowed to use them, which could have significant implications for the tech industry. As governments and regulatory bodies begin to take a closer look at the effects of technology on society, we can expect to see more measures aimed at protecting vulnerable populations. On a related note, Lorde recently spoke out against AI glasses during her performance at the Real Cool Festival in Madrid, calling them not sexy. While she didn't specify any particular brand, it's likely she was referring to festival sponsor Ray-Ban, which has collaborated with Meta on a pair of AI smart glasses. Lorde's comments reflect a growing unease about the integration of AI into our daily lives, particularly when it comes to wearable technology. As AI-powered devices become more ubiquitous, we can expect to see more debate about their impact on our culture and society. Finally, the fight against AI data centers is just beginning, with many communities pushing back against the construction of these massive facilities that power the AI boom. The environmental and social implications of these data centers are significant, and it's essential to consider the long-term consequences of our reliance on AI. As we continue to navigate the complex world of technology, we'll be keeping a close eye on these developments and more, so tune in tomorrow for another episode of AI Tech Daily, and find out how Microsoft is planning to use AI to revolutionize its iconic Office software suite.